An eagle is the only bird that has the ability to face the sun without getting blind. Sometimes becomes brighter. The eagle has the audacity to look at the sun, the sun, and the sun. What does it do? It strengthens your bones. You and I, we also look at the sun, but we don't look at the sun. We look at the son, Jesus Christ, the Son, son of the living God, who calls 9:12. You know what he does? He goes to the wilderness. Thorns. It will look for a rabbit, a hen, and take the soft part. Who caused him not pregnant? He does not run to the clinic for abortion. It waits for the season. When it gives birth, I'm closing. Listen very carefully. I'm closing with this. You know what it will do when it gives birth? It will take the young ones. Listen, can I make a example here? Listen, you will take the young ones. You will take the young ones. Before you make a pass, and will leave them in the air. Remember, the eagles cannot mount. They are not like mama and papa. If they hit the ground, they will die. What immediately fatter. But you know what the eagle does? An eagle will pick them up and leave them in the air. And those children, and leave them and wash them with those eagle eyes. And the children of the eagles will wonder, Mama, what is it that you're doing? We're going to die.